Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right metal comb and creating manageable sections. Start on damp hair so the teeth slide instead of snagging. This reduces breakage and split ends. Once done, hold the hair a few inches above the ends to relieve pulling and gently comb the tips first. Then gradually move upward toward the roots in small increments. Make sure to unclip one section at a time so you maintain control and minimize tangling as you progress. Now focus on technique to protect hair and the comb. You should use short, controlled strokes starting mid-shaft and working toward the ends. This releases tangles without yanking. If a knot resists, pause and apply a bit of detangler or gently tease it apart with your fingers, then resume. Make sure to keep a steady hand and a slight 45-degree wrist angle so the metal teeth pass smoothly and don't bend. Once a section is tangle-free, move upward by an inch and repeat the pattern. To finish, comb each section from root to tip only after it's smooth, which sets your pattern and prevents new tangles. Apply a small amount of serum or oil on ends to lock moisture and reduce friction. Make sure to check the metal teeth for any rough spots. A burr can shred hair, so file it smooth or replace the comb if needed. If you notice persistent breakage, stop and switch to a wide tooth option or reduce how often you comb to let hair recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.